Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss something different. Till now we discussed about so many programming languages, especially Java and also some of the database side. But today we are going to into one of the interesting topic where we need to install our application in AWS cloud. So how we will do that? So basically, I'm in a sign in address of AWS, and here if I have an account, I can log in right now. So I have an account. I'm going to log in, and so that's asked for my password, and I am typing that password right now, and I'm going here to the console. So this is my AWS console. So till now I didn't access my console. So right now this is the first time I am accessing my console after creating my AWS account. So what I will do here, we have so many solutions that we can build from here, build a web app. So probably if you are going for a uh, WordPress or something, we can do here. Here, build using virtual servers. That's another option. Register a domain that we need actually. So, connect to an IoT device, start migrating it to AWS websites and web apps. Storage. There is something to learn also, learn to build. So if you are going here, you can learn so many things from this tutorials. Actually, in my cases, I'm going for a launcher virtual machine. That's the one that I need right now. So I'm just going here launching Amazon virtual machine. So here we have so many options. Amazon Linux to AMI, Amazon Linux AMI, SSD volume. So this is a Linux version of Amazon is with Amazon support also. So this is one of the virtual machine available, but I'm going for a ubuntu actually. So red hat enterprise edition also available, but I am not interested in that one. I'm just going with the free tier eligible one. So this all free tier eligible, even if you are selecting Amazon Linux or red hat, whatever, you can have free tier for the next 12 months. So I'm going to select this one. So here I have so many options. So I choose this one, free tier eligible. So the memory is 1 gigabytes. This is a micro one. If you are going for a small one, you will get memory of 2 gig, but probably you need to pay more. You will not be eligible for free tier on that one. And here I can review and launch or next configure instance details or something that also you can do. Here it will ask for so many things that you can change, but in my case I don't need to change anything, so I'm just review and launch configuration. So here it's come to the review section. Here you can choose whatever you need, and what I am going to do is I'm just going to launch here. So they need a key pair consists of a public key that AWS store and private key file that you store. Together they allow you to connect to your instance securely. For Windows AMI, the private key file is required to obtain the password used to log into your instance. For Linux AMI, the private key file allow you to securely SSH into your instance. So create a new key pair, public key, private key pair. So I just need to provide an key pair name, and I am going to download that key pair that I can use for uh, SSH into my instance. So right now launch instance, and here if you are get notified for create billing alerts, that's another one. So this receive PDF invoice by email, receive free tire usage alerts, receive billing alerts, everything I am just going to activate right now. Then save preference, and also you can cost explorer, you can click on that. So I am going for cost explorer. So enable cost explorer, and here budget is there. Create a budget. So it's very useful. Okay, so I'm going to set a budget here. Monthly, probably monthly. Yeah, monthly. I'm just creating like my expense or something. And monthly December recurring budget fixed. So budget amount I don't need to have more than. So I am just budgeted amount to be $10, and configure the alert. Okay. So if I am getting the $8 limit, I will get an email. So that's where we can configure alerts. So notify me Amazon simple notification service. So that I don't need. And just adding my email contact, and so here I have some issues I can configure right now. So probably okay, remove alert. Okay, so I need to provide a AWS. Okay, so that's where we can configure, but in my case, I don't know, I can configure that. Budget overview, and saving plans also there, cost and usage reports. That's the one that I am interested right now. So I need to make a cost report for every time. So basically, if you are running an instance, it will not cost anything. Credits, you can orders and invoices. Here you can see what were saving plans, billing, bills, order and invoices, credits. So everything is here. So launch cost explorer, that's the one. Overview. So that's where we can view instances. So I can see my instances that's running right now. So whenever you are deleting this instance, you will not charge for that. So if you are not using an instance, you can delete that. If you are using that instance, you can keep that way. So it says saving monthly spend by service now. Okay, this way you can do monthly spend by linked account daily spend view. Yeah, here you can see uh, how much you spent in a day. So this way it works. So whenever you are not interested to keep an instance, you can kill that. It will not. It will save your money. So if I need to see the dashboard, I mean my free try, you can search that also here. So if you are going here, there is some search available. Free free tier AWS. So if you are okay, so this is a free tier. I guess this is also free tier. I don't know why it's not going to the free tier dashboard. So I will try once again, but else there is going to be the same place. Services, AWS Cost Explorer, budgets, managing my costs with budgets. So everything is here. So cost and AWS usage report. So this will ask for please select a cost explorer is there. Usually it will show here, but in my case I'm not getting that one. My billing dashboard is the one. Yeah, here I can see my. So these are the free trial limitations: 750 hours. Storage I can use 5 gig, and database Amazon DynamoDB I can use 25. So here, okay, that's not my. Okay, that's the way it works. So in my next video or something, I will try to access using SSH to that particular instance. So that's for today. Tomorrow I will come with something else.